I'm Jason. I live in Squirrel Hill in Pittsburgh. I'm a recent career changer. I'm a tax professional for the past 4 years. Spent most of my adult life as a professional firefighter. I grew up in a low-income household. I have always been conscious of kind of how much money I have and where it's going. And so solar initially came to my understanding from that sort of a point of view as a way of managing my expenses and making my expenses more predictable. I think my biggest concern about going solar was the cost. I'd explored it a little bit around 2015 or thereabouts, and was interested in doing it in a theoretical sense, but not if it was unaffordable. Allegheny Solar Co-op created the conditions that let us be able to go solar. The system design was meant to cover about 85 or 90% of our usage here at home. Certainly the material benefit has been that it's decreased my electric bills, which has been great. And honestly, the other material benefit is that people talk to us about it too. So we have a big garden out in the front yard, and that's always been a big source of neighbors talking to us. And I see how your raspberry bush is doing. This is what a nice thing to talk about with neighbors. And the solar panels have become a little bit of that sort of a topic as well. Making solar available to more people is honestly, to me, feels like a pretty easy question, and maybe not easily accomplished. The availability of low-cost financing, I think, is clearly what it would take. And I think that governments and other entities can work to make preferable financing available to folks so that it makes financial sense for them to put these installations on their houses. I see that as being a great way to improve the resilience of local communities, where it creates a stronger and more decentralized electric grid. And so something like solar is a great way to build that sort of community resilience.